Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you all the ways you can charge the iPhone 17 Pro. Let's start with the classic method, the cable. Apple includes USB-C to USB-C cable in the box, but you can use any USB-C cable to charge your smartphone. To connect your charger to the iPhone, you just should insert it in your USB-C port. It's too easy to do. And as you can see, my phone is charging now. So it's really easy and convenient way to charge your iPhone. And very important thing you should know, so with the right adapter the iPhone 17 Pro can handle charging speeds of up to around 45 watts. Apple doesn't advertise the exact number, but tests and certification confirm it. And in practice that means you can get about 50% charge in just half an hour if you are using a 40 watt or higher adapter. That's the fastest way to power up your iPhone. The next option is the wireless charging. Wireless chargers are different. Some of them has MagSafe. MagSafe is just magnet safe. Okay, so you have a normal wireless charger, but with the magnets to hold your device in the right position. But it's just a simple wireless charger. And if you have MagSafe, so you just can place your iPhone on MagSafe charger and the magnets snap it in place. It's slower than wired charging, but it's super convenient, especially on your desk or at night. You can also use normal, as in my case, standard QI wireless chargers. They work, but they're usually slower and don't align automatically like MagSafe, and it works. Normally works. To use a wireless charger, you just should connect it to the power supply normally, and then connect your place your iPhone on this type of charger. As you can see, because of case, it's difficult to connect, but as you can see, it works. Now it's charging normally. So, okay, those are all the main ways to charge your iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, from fast 45 watts charging, wire charging, to the convenience of MagSafe. And you can use 3 methods to charge your iPhone. And please write in comments which method do you use the most. Let me know in the comments, and if this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, bye!